Now, if you have two WordPress websites or blogs and you had the need to move a part of it to a different the other website, right? It could be comments, it could be pages. Okay, now it's very important that you know how you could import or export WordPress pages and other content with just a few clicks. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to export and import WordPress pages step by step. Welcome to my channel, Ask Hacker Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. Please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. All right, so if you look at my screen right now, I have a website. This is my personal brand website, Ask Hacker Cheche, all right? And this is another different website, right, that I use for some affiliate marketing gigs, okay? Now I'm going to import some pages from this particular website and I'm going to export them and then import them to this one. And I'll show you how to do that very easy in just a few clicks, okay? Now the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to the website you want to copy contents from, okay? So this is axhackercheche.com. All right, now I'm going to export some pages from it, okay? And to do that, we have to scroll down, head over to our tools here, the tool section, and we click on export. All right, now we get a prompt to choose what we want to export. All right, it could be all content, it could be just posts, it could be pages, it could be landing pages, it could be templates. All right, so now I want to just export pages, so I would select pages and I want to select all. All right, so leave it this way. So if you scroll down here, you could see you could select everyone by the admin, or if you have multiple users on the website, you could choose select whose accounts you want to export posts from. Okay, now you could leave this as default. All right, I'm going to leave this as default and then start to say says all. All right, now I'm going to click on here to download the export file. Awesome. So it gives me a prompt to download this, and you can see it is called axhackercheche.wordpress, and then this is the date. All right, this is an XML file. All right, and we're going to save it. Perfect. So it's been saved right over here. Now the next thing you want to do is that now we have exported the pages. We want to head over to the website where we would be importing this. Okay, so this is the website. This is okay, so I use it for quizzes. All right, I'm going to head over to tools again. All right, and over here the tools, we want to click on import. So click on import. All right, so this is linked to several things. If you're working with Blogger, right, blogger.com, all right, if you wanted to install import categories and tags, you do that here. Live journals, movable, RSS, Tumblr, all right. But we are working with WordPress. Okay, now I've done this before, so by default, yours should say install now instead of saying run importer. Okay, so you have to install it now. For instance, if we click on this Tumblr here, we click on it once, so it would install before we are shown the prompt to run it. Okay, so you see it has changed from install now to run importer. So that's yours should show you install now first. All right, so first of all you install WordPress and then you click on run importer. All right, awesome. So we would be given a prompt to choose the file we want to import. All right, so please note that the file you want to import must be XML file. All right, and then the maximum file size is 1 gig. So we click on choose file, and it's on our desktop and we find it. Yep, this is it. Now we click on this button that says upload file and import. Now the next thing, you want to assign create a user or assign post to a particular user, or I'll just click on this drop down menu here and select admin. And I also want to download and import the attachments. All right, so we click on submit. Perfect, we're done. So if we head over to Ask Architecture here to check the pages we had here, let me see, to all pages. All right, so we have this page, the contacts, and then home. All right, then privacy policy and testimonials. So let me check out this. So if we click here to view, so this page is called testimonials from Axakacheche. I'm going to show you it is currently now in the other website. Okay, so I'm going to close it back, and this is the second website where we imported the pages. Right, so we head over to the pages, click on all pages. You're going to find that page that says testimonials. All right, so this is first page, second page. Yep, let me see. Perfect, so this is it. So we click to view it, and new tab. And voila, so this is it. So the reason why it's different from the other one is because this page, this website, I used a different theme and I work with Elementor too, but I don't do that in this one, right? So, but this is how you import and export WordPress pages and content, right? So leave a comment below. Let me know between a scale of 1 to 10, how easy was this for you, all right? So 10 for very easy, 1 for quite hard. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.